So what's up YouTube, I'm back with another video. In this video I'm going to be showing y'all how I got this beautiful Sunset Ombré eye look. So to start off, I'm using the Plouise eyeshadow base in the shade Rumour 3. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the ABH Norvina palette in the volume 1. I'm going in with this yellow shade first. It's called D1. So both of those shades, the color E2 that I'm blending in now, are going in my crease, and the E2 shade is just going a little lower than the yellow. So now I'm going in with the shades A5 and D3. A5 is the pink color. I'm going in with that color more than the D3 color, which is more of the red, and I'm blending that lower than the other colors we placed before. Now I'm going in with the A3 and the E5 color, and I'm making sure to have those colors go right in my crease and not blend them too far up. Later I will be deepening it further, but as for now I'm just trying to see like what the eye shape is really trying to look like. And now I'm going in with my base again for my lid shades, and now I'm just going in with the pink, the A5 just slowly by itself, and then I'm going with the E2 slowly by itself. I'm just packing them on, not even blending them or anything, and then I'm going in with the D1 color. And after I go in with this color, I take a tiny blending brush, excuse me. I would take a tiny blending brush and just blend them all together. So after this, and then we're moving on to the face. Now for the face, I'm going in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer for my primer. For foundation, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Foundation in 390 and the Born This Way Too Faced Foundation in Chestnut. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 390. To contour, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Truffle. And baby, did I add too much. I added way too much, but I was like, what can I do? I just gotta fix it later. I had to blend it out as much as I could and fix it later. So I do fix it later. Now I'm going in with the Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm just setting all my highlighted areas. So now to set the cream contour, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in Tan to Deep. And right after I go in powder, I feel like I have to spray my face. My face will feel dry, so I have to spray it. And I'm basically just mimicking everything I did at the top on the bottom. So I still feel like the eye needed something, so I'm going in with the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner, and I think the color is Electric Blue. The color will be in the description box. And then I go in with the black at the top, and then I'm going in with the Eyelure Luxe XL Faux Mink lashes, and I love these eyelashes so much. Don't they just sound luxe too? Like, anyways, I'm going in with mascara right after that, and then I'm going in with the C2 color in the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, the Norvina palette, and I'm going in right in my inner corner just to add a pop of glitz, you know. And now I'm going in with the brown lip liner And then I'm going in with the Dose of Colors More Creamer Please lipstick, because it's just a bomb nude. I love that color. And then I'm going in with the Atole lip gloss to top it off. So now I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in that glow, and I'm mixing those two shades to give me my glow. And the mist I used earlier, I was about to say spray. The mist I used earlier was this mist. It's the Morphe Continuing Setting Mist, and we're doing our final spray. And we just look so good. I love this look so much. So if you made it this far, thank you for watching. Seriously, if you could like this video for me and subscribe, because baby, I'm coming with more heat. All right, so be ready, and bye y'all.